उड़ान। पक्षियों को देखकर खुले आकाश में पंख फैलाकर उड़ने की प्रबल इच्छा ने मानव मस्तिष्क से न जाने कितनी ही तकनीकों का आविष्कार कराया। राइट ब्रदर्स की सोच ही तो थी जो आज चंद घंटों में हजारों मीलों का फासला तय करना अब आम सी बात लगने लगी है। एक देश से दूसरे देश जाना तो बहुत छोटी बात है, रॉकेट साइंस के द्वारा मानव चांद और मंगल ग्रह पर भी अपने पैर जमा रहा है। एक ओर शिक्षा को उन्नति का स्तंभ मानकर कई महारथियों ने साक्षरता को अपना उद्देश्य बनाया, तो वहीं दूसरी ओर प्रगतिशील योजनाओं ने देश को मजबूती प्रदान की।
Best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk the guy, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go by yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame. Yeah. And the world's gonna know your name.
Wants to be unique. Every youth wants to be unique. But the world around you is doing its best day and night to make you just everybody else. Whether you want to be you or everybody else. Everybody else is convenient at the first glance, but not satisfying in the long vision. The challenge, therefore, my young friends, is that you have to fight the hardest battle which any human being can ever imagine to fight, and never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique. That is the unique. That is the unique. That is the
For your people, do it for your pride. Never gonna move, never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you're running with the crossfade. And the world's gonna know your name.
Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. But things did not remain the same. Women were flogged. People were killed. And our beautiful dreams turned into nightmares. Education went from being a right to being a crime. When my world suddenly changed, my priorities changed too. I had two options. One was to remain silent and wait to be killed. And the second was to speak up and then be killed. I chose the second one. One teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world.
Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. And the world's gonna know your name.
पास ही तय करें कि मैं गंदगी नहीं करूंगा, न गंदगी करूंगा, न गंदगी करने दूंगा। अगर गंदगी से देश को मुक्ति दिलानी है, फिर हमें तय करना होगा हम गंदगी नहीं करेंगे। महात्मा गांधी ने हमें गुलामी से मुक्ति दिलाई, हम भारत मां को गंदगी से मुक्ति दिलाएं। ये काम हम सबका है, हम सबको करना है।
Don't be afraid of failure. Mistakes are the proof that you are trying. एक बात सीखी है रंगों से भी, बिन बिखरे न कोई निखरे।